What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we have a very special guest, Sandeep. He's a senior UX designer currently working in
Bangalore.
Correct. So, what are we doing today? Please tell the audience.
So we will be designing e-commerce cart page,
Right.
and we will be designing very quickly using plugins. Figma has a lot of good plugins, and
Correct.
sometimes we don't use it. So we'll be using those plugins to make sure our design is created very quickly and efficient.
Efficiently. So, without wasting any time, guys, let's go.
Cool. So what we'll do, हम लोग first of all will take the artboard
Right.
ताकि we can just design the specific page. Phone 16 Pro लेंगे,
Correct.
right? And
Loud.
डिज़ाइन करने से पहले हमें ये देखना है कि हम कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हमारे लिए बहुत रिक्वायर्ड है, राइट? सो जैसे
Correct.
टाइपोग्राफी स्केल बहुत रिक्वायर्ड है,
Right.
एंड देन हमें कलर्स चाहिए होंगे,
Color theme.
हमें ग्रिड्स भी देखनी होंगी,
Grids.
एंड देन इमेजेस एंड वट एवर अदर थिंग्स.
Correct.
वो पूरा है, एंड देन विल स्टार्ट. सो इनिशियली हमें एक सिस्टम चाहिए होगा, जैसे व्हाट आई डू कि अगर मैं ऐसा कुछ बना लूँ तो आई कैन क्विकली रेफर टू बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट फिग्मा systems. In उसमें Figma simple design system is also there.
Right.
Either you can pick this one, इसमें you will get all the different kinds of design systems, or you can go and say, okay, let me so in order to quickly open your plugins, you say command P, and you can just search.
But this is specifically for MacBook, guys, not for Windows.
Yeah, right. Or you can just right click, and then there is plugin, and you can just say manage plugin, and you can start doing.
Correct.
So I will quickly start with maybe color, right? So I have one plugin which say UI color palette. So I will click on this, and it will open some different palettes. Okay, announcement. So I will say new UI color palette.
Nice.
Right?
Nice.
So see, there are different kinds of colors. This is the base color, and then you have different shades
Use.
of,
Correct.
right,
Different use.
and then you can go to colors directly, and you can change that color. So I want my e-commerce to be little more bluer, because I feel blue is the color of trust. So
And harmony, yeah.
so this is how I will go and just change it. And when you come to the scale, these scales are also generated, right?
Correct.
So
Hindi.
and then you can also play around with different so these are some pro things, but there are different versions and scales in that. You can just change these scales. So see, these elements are also changing, right? And then you say create UI, and you say sync with library. Got it. So that's how you will be able to create these color scales, right? And then comes the typography. So
Okay.
if I हाँ, अगर मैं टाइपोग्राफी में जाऊँ, सो आई थिंक देयर आर मैनी. जैसे कि मैं बोलूँ टाइप स्केल, राइट?
Okay.
अब टाइप स्केल से क्या होता है कि हर एज अ ह्यूमन हमें रीडिंग की एक पैटर्न होती है कि हमारी हेडिंग बड़ी होगी,
Subheading.
देन सब हेडिंग आएगी, फिर
Then the
बॉडी
main text,
आएगा,
yeah.
एंड देन उसमें कैप्शन आएगा.
Correct.
तो ये स्केल्स किसी स्पेसिफिक ओवरऑल व्हाट आई से नेचर स्केल से आता है. जैसे
Okay.
म्यूजिक में आपने सुना
Right.
होगा कि बहुत सारे स्केल्स होते हैं,
Right.
फिफ्थ, माइनर, थर्ड, मेजर, थर्ड.
Right.
सो
Right.
वैसे ही ये भी एक स्केल है. सो टाइपोग्राफी स्केल को हम क्लिक करेंगे, एंड यू विल सी दिस बेस फॉन्ट क्या होगा. तो यूजुअली मोबाइल में बेस फॉन्ट को 14 रखते हैं,
Okay.
क्योंकि वो बहुत ही सटल रहता है. एंड
Yes.
देन यहाँ पे लाइन हेड हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
तो लाइन हेड अभी मैं 1.5 रख रहा हूँ.
Correct.
So, जो अभी मैं स्केल्स की बात कर रहा था वो यहाँ पे है.
Okay.
सो माइनर थर्ड, माइनर सेकंड, बेसिकली ये है 1.6.
Correct.
ये इट्स टेलिंग कि हमारे फॉन्ट कितने कॉम्पैक्ट होंगे.
Okay.
राइट?
I mean the height between the
Right,
two
right.
lines. Right. Right.
नो द फॉन्ट स्केल.
Okay. The font
सो
scale.
जैसे
Sorry, guys.
अगर मेरा बेस फॉन्ट 14 है,
Okay.
राइट, तो मेरा जो नेक्स्ट फॉन्ट होगा
What it should be.
वो शुड
Okay.
बी वेरी क्लोज टू, इट शुड बी अ मल्टीप्लायर ऑफ 1.06.
Makes
तो जैसे
sense.
15 हो गया या
Makes
15
sense.
पॉइंट कुछ हो गया,
Right.
राइट. अब जैसे मुझे ये बढ़ाना है, अब जैसे लॉट ऑफ पीपल अपने गोल्डन रेशियो के बारे में सुना होगा,
Of course.
तो मैं उसको गोल्डन रेशियो में कन्वर्ट कर सकता हूँ.
Wow.
तो अब क्या होगा कि 14 इंटू गोल्डन रेशियो, तो वो एक सिमेट्री में आएगा.
Right.
ये गोल्डन रेशियो एक पैटर्न है.
Correct.
सो वी ट्राई टू लुक फॉर पैटर्न. सो ये कॉम्पैक्ट के लिए है. जैसे जैसे हम बढ़ते जाएंगे स्पेस बढ़ती जाएगी.
Right.
तो मैं एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. जैसे बहुत सी क्रेड है. सो क्रेड यूज समथिंग लाइक कि परफेक्ट फोर्थ और मेजर थर्ड.
Okay.
वो बहुत कॉम्पैक्ट भी नहीं है,
Right.
बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपैंडेड भी नहीं है.
Right.
बट अगर आप एयरबीएनबी देखोगे सो दे यूज समथिंग लाइक परफेक्ट और गोल्डन रेशियो,
Okay.
जो कि काफ़ी क्लीन लगता है.
They need more space.
एग्जैक्टली.
Right.
सो उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से यू विल डिसाइड. सो इन आर केस अभी सपोज हम ले रहे हैं मेजर थर्ड. राइट.
Okay.
हमें बहुत ज़्यादा वो भी नहीं करना है, जनरेट. तो यहाँ पे यू कैन सी हमारी टाइप स्किल पूरी
Wow.
जनरेट हो गई है. राइट. अब हम यहाँ पे कुछ लिख सकते हैं और यहाँ पे जाके वो टाइप स्किल हमारी आ गई है.
Correct.
विद इन अ
Correct.
सेकेंड आप यू कैन सी कि आपका पूरा सिस्टम टाइपोग्राफी का यहाँ बन चुका है. राइट. आपको इटैलिक में कन्वर्ट करना है तो इटैलिक में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. आपको किसी भी चीज़ में आना है तो कन्वर्ट. सो ये इट इज़ डन. राइट. अगर आप ये विदाउट प्लग इन करोगे इट माइट टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम.
Of course. Of course.
तो वो एक चीज़ हो गई. राइट. नाउ कम्स कि हमारा कलर और वो डिसाइड हो गया. लेट्स स्टार्ट डिज़ाइनिंग समथिंग ना. तो अब हम डिज़ाइन करेंगे क्योंकि हमारा कलर सिस्टम रेडी है, हमारी स्केल रेडी है.
Okay.
तो हम एक बार देखते हैं कि हम किस टाइप का बना रहे हैं. सो हमें कार्ड बनाना है. राइट. तो इनिशियली विल से कि हम एक कार्ड की यहाँ हेडिंग दे देंगे कि कार्ड.
Okay.
और इसको यहाँ से सेंटर लाइन कर लिया. अभी हम इंटर यूज़ कर रहे हैं. हम कुछ इसी से यूज़ करेंगे जो हमें अभी मिला है. आई थिंक
इसको थोड़ा सा जूम कर दे क्योंकि हाँ बस परफेक्ट.
तो जैसे यहाँ M3 हेडलाइन है तो अभी हम हेडलाइंस ही यूज़ कर रहे हैं. तो हम सपोज टाइटल यूज़ करते हैं 22. इसलिए ये कैसा है. हाँ ठीक है. तो ये एक टाइटल हमारे पास आ गया कार्ड का.
Okay.
राइट. अब यहाँ पे मुझे ये भी लिखना है कि कितने आइटम्स यहाँ पे हैं
SKUs,
कार्ड में.
yeah,
राइट.
yeah.
सो 3 selected items. राइट. अब ये थोड़ा इससे सेम लग रहा है तो हमें हायरार्की क्रिएट करनी है.
Of course.
विल ट्राई टू मे बी से इसको थोड़ा छोटा कर दें या मे बी विल से नॉट गो विद टाइटल से लेबल कर सकते हैं. या आई थिंक विल गो विद दिस एंड जस्ट मेक इट लिटिल
Nice.
स्ट्रॉन्ग.
Nice.
So
Nice.
अब यहाँ पे जब मैं आऊँगा you will see cart and then the 3 items.
Right.
Now I will create a whole one card of an item.
Okay.
Right. So usually what we do is कि यहाँ पे हम एक frame select करते हैं.
Mm-hmm.
Right. And उस frame को मैं बाहर ले आता हूँ and उसमें I can fill it. Right.
Right.
अब what I will do is एक और container इसके अंदर I will bring. Right. And यहाँ पे I want to use an image.
Okay.
Now one way is कि I will go to internet and find
Copy
an
paste,
image,
yeah.
or I can go here and say Unsplash.
Okay, so it's the same plugin from.
right?
Oh.
So you have Unsplash.
Of course.
Everyone knows. Have used it once
Right.
in a while. So
Right.
you will just open the Unsplash and say, what do you want to buy, Chirag?
Maybe a shoe.
Yeah. So Chirag is a sneaker lover.
Yeah.
So let's find a sneaker.
Nice. The first one.
You want all of them or you want the first one?
Let's go with the third one.
Third one. Okay,
Yeah.
this looks good. And in just a blink of eye, you will see that image right
So
here.
easy, guys. So easy.
Right, and then you can just change it to some bevels. Right. So this is done. Now what we want to do is again add one more title. Say Nike shoe.
Yep.
Right. And maybe just try to reduce it. Maybe label 14. Right.
Better.
So Nike shoe and second, yeah. So we'll say which company it is in, right? So from, so I think it will be the name of
The seller name.
seller name, right?
Yeah. Right.
From the Nike
Store.
store. But again, we want to create a more hierarchy, so we'll just reduce this a little bit.
Too small.
And yeah, maybe just 1 second. Yeah, I think this will be fine.
Is that bold or?
Yeah, we need to just reduce this opacity.
Yeah.
And yeah, just
Looks better.
reduce this little bit to
Regular.
Yeah.
Hmm. Cool.
Okay. So this is Nike shoe from the Nike store.
Right.
Now we want to add the price. So at what price you want to buy?
Let's say $8,000.
Okay. Okay. So 8,000. We'll
INR.
go with INR.
Yeah.
So 8,000. Oops. 8,000 Ps.
Perfect.
Right.
Huh.
And so now we want to add icons.
Correct.
Quickly.
Correct.
So I will go and here in the right, Phosphorus. Okay. So Phosphorus is one of the plugin that I use. So I want an icon for plus and minus. So let's see what so
Plus.
plus is there. I will go with this plus, right? And
Nice.
then I will go
Minus.
minus. And here we have minus as well,
Nice. Nice.
right?
So this is the quantity basically.
या एग्जैक्टली सो नाउ अब ये मैं इसको थोड़ा सा आर्ट बोर्ड के अंदर पिक करता हूँ, राइट? तो अब इसके मैं साइज थोड़ा छोटा कर दूंगा
हाँ.
ताकि वो
Match
tappable
करे.
रहे,
Yeah,
मैच
yeah.
करे.
Yeah.
सो ये भी कम कर दिया है हमने, राइट? अब
Cool.
यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी जैसे हमने 1 कर दिया अभी,
Yes.
और इन आइकन्स को थोड़ा सा कम कर देते हैं ताकि वो एकदम पिंची ना लगे, राइट? सो थोड़ी हायरार्की क्रिएट हो गई है.
Yes.
कूल. एक और आइकन होगा बिकॉज हमें अगर इसे रिमूव करना हो तो विल से
Across.
phosphorus. And the best part of using one library is you will have consistency.
True.
अगर आप अभी you will go outside in Google and try to find icons.
They would have different height,
visual,
width,
exactly.
everything. Yeah.
तो अभी ये सब सेम रहे तो it will feel like कि ये एक ही library,
Sync.
एक ही place से हैं.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
इसे
Remove.
right? So maybe we will use this icon or maybe not this icon. Close icon we'll use. Yeah, we'll use this icon.
Cool. Nice.
इसको भी हम I think 20 कर देते हैं ताकि थोड़ा
Right.
so ये line हो गया. This is one quick card that we have created. अब what we'll do, either we can create a component or we can just drag it. So हमने अभी component बनाया ताकि we can just quickly bring it here, right?
Correct.
अब what we want to do is कि अब इसमें थोड़ा सा drop shadow डालना है.
हाँ.
So what you will do is कि maybe you will just go here and say effects में drop shadow, you will try it and manually do it.
Correct.
There's another way. You can go here and say smooth shadows,
Nice.
right? So अभी क्या what it has done कि यहाँ पे वो उन shadows का ना पूरा एक ग्राफ दे दिया है.
Okay.
So you can
Wow.
एक्चुअली विजुलाइज की कितनी शैडो चेंज करनी है और कैसे करना है, तो इन उसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं,
This looks so much better, guys.
राइट? तो इसमें एक बार फिर से जाते हैं इसकी लेयर्स की, जैसे यू कैन सी ये पूरा चेंज हो रहा है.
Correct.
यहाँ पे इसकी वैल्यू मैंने डार्क करी, कम करी, राइट? और ये पूरा विजुलाइज हो रहा है. अब देखो ऐसे यहाँ से यू कैन सी इट्स चेंजिंग, यू कैन चेंज द ऑफसेट. सो
Right.
इट इज़ लुकिंग वियर्ड बट अभी आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, बट आई विल कैंसिल दैट. So okay, let's go with some minimal shadow ताकि we'll have something. So I've reduced it. So ये एक shadow apply हो गई है.
Done.
Then I will just duplicate this, and we usually try to have a padding of multiple of 4 or
Okay.
8
Okay.
because that has been widely used and it's an even number and it's cover most of the scenario. But some companies go with odd.
Okay.
So there's no specific rule, but
It totally depends on your purpose,
Yeah,
guys,
right.
and what the client needs.
yeah, so now we have another artboard and then I'm just gonna duplicate it again, right? So अब यहाँ पे not same product, what else you want to buy? Now again,
Let's go with football, guys.
So Chirag is a football fan that I can see.
Let's go with the football.
Okay, so you want this
Third one.
football. Yeah, this one looks, this one.
Yeah. Let's go with this. Nice.
So yeah, this is a Adidas ball from Adidas store.
Nice. Let's keep it correct.
Right, and just one more thing we can buy.
Maybe football gloves.
Yeah.
Or a jersey, maybe.
Yeah, let's go with
The jersey. Yeah.
So which football fan are you?
Let's see which one we get.
Oh, we have Arsenal in the house and some. Okay, so let's say football. Jersey.
Football jersey, yeah.
Again, Arsenal. So Spain is there.
Let's go with this one. Up. Messi.
Oh, you want
Messi.
I like Ronaldo, but I will still go with Messi.
Let's go
So
with
it's
what we
fine.
have. Nice.
So we have Messi.
I believe this is Adidas too.
Yes.
Nice.
Sure. Jersey.
So guys, kitna easy hai just by using plugins, you know. That's how you can.
And just see the quality of images. Like if you go in Google and copy paste those images, it
How
will be pixelated.
that pixelates, yeah.
So
There's a
this
lot of
is-
noise.
This is so good,
Crisp and clear.
right? So now, I think the jersey will cost around
4,000 bucks, yeah.
Right. So this is how it's gonna be.
Right.
So let's revise on what are the things we have covered.
Correct.
We used Phosphor for icons.
Icons.
There are more plugins, so I can also use Iconify.
Okay.
I see ONIFY. It's a good plugin. What you can do is it will have a database of all the plugins that the different
Okay.
libraries you have.
Right.
So you don't have to just use Phosphorus. If you want to go ahead with something, Google Material Icons. So Google has their own design system, and you can just see what are the different icons they have. There are thousands of libraries for those icons.
Correct.
So
And are these paid or are these free?
no, all are these free. So you
These
can
are
just
free.
go inside and just drag it, and then you have an alien thing in your. You can also use it for illustrations. As
Okay,
well, right?
nice,
So
nice.
everything is free in this.
Right.
So that is very helpful. And we also explored some typography
Of
related
course, of
plugins.
course.
So let's try another typography related, that is font pair.
Okay.
Yeah. So sometimes a lot of designers, they try to pair fonts, not using single font. They, again, I will take an example of Cred. So Cred use multiple fonts in their
Correct.
application, which makes it more elegant and visually appealing. So you can either go to and see what are the different pairings you can choose with.
Can be serif, can be sans serif.
Yeah, exactly. So
and-
serif, sans serif, and there is
Handwritten
in
fonts.
between,
Yeah.
the serif, and there's a hybrid as well.
Correct.
So there are a lot of fonts you can see here, and then you can just compare and see how it looks. And here, like if I want to go with the Inter, and then the another one is, let's say Gligo. So this is how it's gonna look.
Nice.
And then just you can just use the pairing in your design.
Designs. Correct.
Right.
Correct,
So
correct.
I think this is how. Okay. Yeah. हाँ तो यहाँ पे we done with the typography. अब images का आते हैं. तो अभी lot of people, जैसे हमने देखा है कि हमें वो चाहिए होती है, प्रोफाइल चाहिए होती है.
Yes.
अब हमें लगता है कि हम किसी और की फोटो यूज ना करें, क्योंकि उसमें फिर anyone can say
Of
कि
course.
आपने हमारी फोटो यूज
Why
की
did you
है.
use
So
that?
we
Yeah.
have to make sure कि वो फोटो हमारी ना हो. So we say UI faces.
Okay, so is it AI based? Okay.
Yeah, it's AI based avatar creation. So what you will do is कि एक ऐसा flat rectangle or frame you can take, और यहाँ पे human कैसा है, aliens. If you want to go with
Okay,
aliens, you have
okay.
some cool alien related, because a lot of apps do, like
Of course.
gaming apps,
हाँ.
they give you some avatar, right?
Right.
If you cartoon जाना है तो you can have
Cartoons भी
cartoons
है, right.
and it's so good, it's so clean. मतलब आपको
Easily
AI के
available.
AI tool में जाके you don't have to write, लिखना नहीं पड़ेगा.
अच्छा,
और
somehow ऐसा भी possible है by prompts can we create avatars with our choice?
हाँ, we can. So अभी यहाँ पे Figma में you can see यहाँ पे option है AI का. दिखाता हूँ. Wait, image. Oh, I think it's in the different.
Okay, we'll cover that later,
cover
guys.
that in
Later.
the
Yeah.
Okay, so हाँ, UI faces में एक बार जाते हैं.
हाँ.
So यहाँ पे we have lot of different faces. So
Correct.
maybe I will go with this guy. He's smiling too much. So and tada. So you have smiley faces, and then you can just go inside and just make it round. And this is your profile icon.
Nice.
And just maybe make it
Way
a
too easy.
multiple of 4. Yeah.
24.
and maybe this can also be a multiple of 4, maybe 12 and 12. Yeah, perfect. So we have card, we have profile icon. What else? Now I think some companies also use illustration as a background कि वो कैसा visually अच्छा बना सकते हैं. तो let's go and find some illustrations. See, you don't have to go anywhere. Everything is
available inside Figma.
Right?
Yeah.
अगर plugins नहीं है, then you have Figma community. You can go to Figma community. We'll explore that later in the session. So be in this session. And तो यहाँ पे let's go with plugins. We'll say I have used illustrations.
Right.
So यहाँ पे illustration kit मैंने pick करी है. Let's run it. See, these are all the illustrations that you can pick. जैसे अब कुछ जगहों पे no result found है. So you can just quickly bring this. This is a funny illustration. No result found. Right. Suppose मैं अभी इस केस में सारे ये remove कर दूँ, तो एक empty screen आएगी, right?
Yes.
This can be an empty screen, right? Or you can say कि ये no orders. तो ये कितना perfect है for this scenario. This is so apt, right? So you can just quickly rescale it and just put it here. Maybe I can quickly create another screen. इसको मैं duplicate कर दूँगा, and then maybe I can just delete everything and have this as an empty screen.
Nice.
Right. So say no orders. Come on, guys, start ordering.
Yes, order today, guys.
Yes. So yeah, we have this. And just quickly align it. Yeah. So we have illustration less than 10 seconds. So we were talking कि यहाँ पे illustration कैसे है. एक और illustration plugin I use की जैसे उसका नाम है blush. So blush पे click किया and see so many cool looking illustrations are there.
Nice.
यहाँ पे कितने बढ़िया spaceman, you are getting a spaceman. इसको pick किया.
Drag and drop.
Yes. It's just taking a little more time. Yeah. Okay. And this guy is here. So ये
nice.
He's a spaceman. ये आपकी illustration में आ गया है, right? And then you can just place it wherever you want. Maybe you can have a avatar. अपनी app का कोई avatar बना सकते हो. Whatever, right?
Can we use by any chance हम लोग gradients use कर सकते हैं background में if we want?
हाँ, it's a good point. We have gradients as well. So यहाँ पे हम जाके say gradient.
A gradient of blue or white maybe.
Yes. So there are so many gradient, right? Yeah, I think this will work.
Done. Nice.
Yeah. So see, you just have to find the colors and then you can just quickly change those colors. You can also change the element inside here, right? So you will just quickly do that, and then just you can add more colors as well, like as many colors you can want, and you can have
of course
the more colorful, and just bring that rectangle. It will look too colorful. It's like the holy e-commerce.
Yeah.
But what I will do is I will reduce the opacity to make sure it looks little something is
subtle.
There.
Yeah.
The subtleness is there, and this can become our background for the whole application, right? Because
that easy, guys. Right? That easy.
And it's just like few clicks. You can do it by using this, but again, like this will be little more tricky, and you cannot
hectic
just
also.
Change things so easily, right?
Right.
It's more of a linear, but in this case, like you can see, it's very, very quick.
Tip of the
even this also I can move, right? So it is very easy. So yeah, I think it was like the gradient thing is something we can definitely use.
Nice.
Yeah. What else? So now I think we have covered icons, we have covered
typography, images,
imagery, illustrations,
gradients.
Let's also try to find like if you are working into image,
okay,
like in this case, you want to edit this image.
Acha.
What you will
Okay.
do, you will go to Photoshop and then just try to.
That's hectic, guys.
So it's a complete app. And what if I tell you that you can get Photoshop here itself in the Figma?
That's nice.
So you go to plugins and say Photopea, right? And then you click on the Photopea, and this whole Photoshop is open inside the Figma, and then you can just
By the way, plugin free है guys, so
yeah, this plugin is
go
free.
ham.
Free है तो you can just use as many
इसमें
times.
actually सारे Photoshop के
हाँ ये पूरा है every
Lasso
सब
tool,
कुछ ही
everything.
है. Magic Wand है, Crop है,
wow.
and then eyedropper है. क्या use करें? We'll do some brushing actually. Oh, I am good at brushing, but yeah, I'm just for the sake of
it, yeah.
showing, or like if you want to
Or maybe go to the image option ऊपर drop down
yeah
adjustments
हाँ,
और
यहाँ
highlights
पे-
और shadows को थोड़ा we can play नीचे
right where
नीचे 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 yes
yeah, हाँ so that's good. So यहाँ पे we can just play around it little bit, see
yeah
it's changing real time पे change हो रहा है.
correct
So amount है and then you could say done, and यहाँ पे either you can like save this image, right? You can save it as PNG and then bring it back to your tool.
correct
There was an option to directly
export
इसको
it अच्छा
इसमें लाने का, but yeah, I think we'll have to check on that. I don't know why it is not showing me. मैं just copy paste करके देखता हूँ एक बार. No, it's
No.
not. It's fine. You can just export it and वो वहाँ पे you can.
guys simply export कर देना उसको whatever
हाँ,
you guys
right,
edit
right.
and उसके बाद you can just copy paste
हाँ. So but it's a whole complete
yes
पूरा tool ही अंदर
very
है.
nice.
तो I think वो एक बहुत crazy चीज़ है.
very nice
So आपकी फोटो भी edit हो गई.
correct
अब ऑलमोस्ट सब कुछ ही हो पा रहा है, राइट? व्हाट एल्स? अब हमारे पास हमारे शैडोज बन गए हैं, हमारा फोटोज एडिट हो रहे हैं, हम इवन इसको 3D भी कर सकते हैं.
wow let's try
Right.
that
सो अब मुझे इस कार्ड को थोड़ा 3D इफेक्ट देना है, तो विल से यहाँ पे 3D ट्रांसफॉर्मर.
nice
तो मैंने इसको पिक किया. ओके मुझे इसको ओके आर्ट पोर्ट सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो मैं इसको यूज़ कर लेता हूँ. हाँ Right. तो ये वो कार्ड है, इसका प्रीव्यू आ रहा है.
nice
देन हम उसमें एक्स एक्सिस चेंज कर सकते हैं,
y axis change
वाई एक्सिस चेंज कर सकते
z
हैं,
axis change कर सकते
एंड
हैं
थोड़ा सा जी एक्सिस चेंज कर सकते हैं.
nice
राइट हाँ. तो और ये जूम भी हो जाएगा, और वी कैन डू रैंडम. अब वो उसको डिसाइड करने दो कि व्हाट
works out
वेल. तो अभी जैसे मैंने ये इंसर्ट लेयर कर दी है एंड सी वो
nice
पूरा एक 3D इंटरेक्शन में हो गया है.
correct
अब एक और क्रेजी चीज़ हम इसके साथ कर सकते हैं कि जैसे मैंने इसको अब मैं क्योंकि मेरे पास 3D आ गया है, राइट? तो मैं उसको थोड़ा सा इंटरेक्शन भी दे सकता हूँ.
okay
लेट्स ट्राई टू डू दैट एज वेल. ओके सो मैंने ये पिक किया, मैंने प्रोटोटाइप पे गया, मैंने उसको बोला कि हवर पे आप उस पर चेंज हो जाना, राइट? तो लेट्स सी कैसे होता है. इसको मैं क्लोज कर देता हूँ मैनुअल पे जाके, ठीक है? तो इसको मैंने कर दिया. अब इसको प्ले करते हैं,
prototype
राइट? लेट्स प्रोटोटाइप को रन करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है.
that's Figma for you guys
सो अभी सी अभी ये पीछे आ रहा है ना, तो
Correct.
उसको एक बार मैं रिमूव भी कर लेता हूँ. तो इसमें मैं थिंक कलर डालता हूँ. परफेक्ट. अब देखते हैं क्या होता है. सी ऑलमोस्ट थोड़ा सा इसको कलर ऐड करना पड़ेगा.
nice
जैसे ही हवर, दो मोबाइल में हवर नहीं होता, बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो
What are the possibilities?
कैसे
हाँ.
पॉसिबिलिटीज है, राइट? सो ऐसे आप अपने डेस्कटॉप की भी ऐप में ही कर सकते हो,
correct
बट इट इज़ लाइक यू कैन डू सो मैनी थिंग्स विद प्लगइन्स.
nice
एक पूरा 3D इफेक्ट मैंने क्रिएट कर दिया विद इन सेकेंड्स.
that too with plugins
ये
guys
फंक्शनैलिटी है ही नहीं फिग्मा में. विदाउट प्लगइन्स यू कैन नॉट डू इट.
right
तो दैट इज एक्चुअली क्रेजी.
right
तो आई थिंक हमारा ये हो गया. अब लेट्स क्विकली ट्राई टू फिनिश दिस
Yeah.
तो मैं अभी क्या करता हूँ कि जल्दी से एक टोटल लेता हूँ कि because now I will need your credit card as well.
Yes, we need the details, guys.
Yes. So I mean how much you will be paying, and maybe I like Adidas ball, so you will order
Two.
this for me.
Very good. Very nice.
So let's say reduce capacity, थोड़ा सा हल्का कर देते हैं, right? And यहाँ पे subtotal,
Then total. Nice. Smooth.
to give tax. Okay.
Nothing is without tax,
So
guys.
I think it's 5% now, so we'll go with 5%. So 13,200 into 1.05 is 13,860.
Including taxes.
Yes, sir. So this is done. This is done. Completed.
Payment section is also ready.
Yeah, just make sure your paddings are
Correct.
well. So it's multiple of 4, but I think it. Yeah, this is not 2, 3, 4, 5. So up and down it's the same. This is also 7. So I'm just gonna quickly see. Details are very important because
course.
that's make you a designer.
Yes.
And yeah, just 24. Cool. So this is done. Now I'm just gonna quickly bring a button. Either I can just go and find
A plugin.
plugin, right? So components, handy components. Let's try. See, there are a lot of buttons, tool tapes, and everything is there.
Nice.
Maybe I will just go with this button. Oops, not calendar. Single button. Quickly, let's have a button here. Say
Check
out.
out. Nice.
And see, you can use whatever color you want. We created some blue things, right, initially, so maybe we'll go with this one
Deal.
as the
Nice.
color, right?
Better.
And then we can just make it like this, and then just reduce this a little bit, or we can just at the bottom. Yep. Perfect.
So even the checkout is ready, guys.
Yes.
That easy,
It's
man.
ready to check out. Cool. So I think we have this. We just also want to add search if you want. So just adding one more. So I'm gonna ask you what you gonna do to bring your icons. Add it in the comment section.
Yeah.
Yes. So I think I'll go with phosphor,
Phosphor,
because
yeah.
we has used phosphor throughout. So I'm gonna say search.
Nice.
So easy. Just quickly here. Don't tell it to your product managers or teammates, then they will start reducing the timeline for your work. Just do the work quickly and
Quietly
just
and
relax.
yeah. Work smart, guys, not hard.
So just quick relax. Okay, so yeah, I think we are done with most of the plugins. Now there are few plugins that we usually use after our design is ready. That is to understand the accessibility,
Okay.
right? So accessibility is very important because a lot of people are not able to use those things. Some might have issue with their eyes, or someone have issue with their hands.
Whatever
right?
it
So
is, yeah.
it can be anything, right? So let's try and see whether this design is accessible or not. So I will go here and say another plugin called Stark. It's not Tony Stark, but it is.
It's a Stark, yeah.
The Stark. Right, and see, my color was white, right? So I will just quickly check this color. This is white, and the other color is black, right?
Right.
So it says it is accessible. So there are different kinds of accessibilities like AA, AAA. So there is a whole organization in the world who take cares of this. That organization is called WCGAI,
Okay.
right? And it's a world group of accessibility, right? So they have set of rules through which you can define what are the things you should consider in the accessibility.
Nice.
Right. One last plugin I would like to bring in is Focus Map. Yeah, I think it's the same thing. It's not visualized, it's not showing. But what it will do, it will give a heat map of how your user will be looking into your design, right? So it's
Okay.
a complete testing right away. Like if you are working with a client and you want to, and if they say that this design will not work, you can show them with this heat map and tell them that user will be looking those images.
So basically जो red
Right.
spots हैं वो those are the spots where the audience will
look more,
Look, yeah.
right? सबसे ज़्यादा इस जगह पे ऑडियंस देखेगी, एंड देन वो वहाँ से लेफ्ट में शू जाएंगे, बिकॉज इमेज सबसे पहले
exactly
अट्रैक्ट करता है.
Yes.
इमेज इमेज इमेज
yes
इमेज
yes
एंड देन बटन, क्योंकि बटन का कलर एकदम अलग है.
right.
सो ऐसा यू कैन इवन टेस्ट.
So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you so much Sandeep for giving these important insights, because guys, you know, काम easily करने के लिए we have plugins, and thanks to Sandeep that, you know, we are aware of these ones. And guys, comment करो what you want for the next video, and we will definitely come up with something better.
एंड ऑल्सो विच प्लगइन और कौन सा प्लगइन यू यूज द मोस्ट, tell that
Do
as
let
well.
us know. Do let
Yeah,
us know.
do let us
So
know.
even we are aware, you know, कि क्या market में is working out.
Right.
So this is all for today's video, guys. We are going to see you in another one. Till that time, take care and peace out.
Bye.